juice. This is lemon mint. This is my favorite juice. Don't have mold. We're going to be using cups, little cups, just to make it more fun.
The idea is for us to use homemade stuff. We don't need anything special for us to make this. So we're gonna make it with whatever we have at the house.
Yeah, because we don't have sticks, we are going to be using these. If you don't have enough spoons, you could always use forks. And if you don't have enough forks, you could always use spoons.
You use whatever you have available to you in order to make it work. So we have to be creative in these things.
Yeah, we're using small ones because the cups are small.
That's
Simple.
right.
Get started, and remember, guys, always have an adult supervision. Now we're going to get started by putting this in here. And guys, remember, you should only put a little in because the ice expands and it might spill over in the freezer.
That's right. So let me explain this a little bit. Water and liquid expands when it freezes.
Yeah.
Okay? So if we fill it up too much and we put it in the freezer, it's gonna expand and it's gonna spill over and it's gonna make a mess, and mommy's not gonna be happy with us. Okay? So we will put always not a full cup. It's gonna have a little bit room to expand. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna help you a little bit here because this is still too full. First one. Alright. Alright, so it's too full. So we don't make a mess in the freezer and mama does not get upset with us. We use a plate.
Chocolate kiss plate.
Yeah, and we will put these in the plate.
Wow.
So if they, yeah, go ahead. If they spill over, at least it's in the plate. Yeah, okay. Let's not, Tima, let's make sure they don't touch each other so they don't stick to each other, and we make sure that the cups are not wet from the bottom or from the sides, because any wetness in the freezer is gonna stick and they're gonna stick to the plate or they're gonna stick to each other. So this way we'll minimize that.
Like this?
Yes, okay, we'll keep them apart, yeah, and make sure. So again, we'll keep all of the sticks pointing outside so we can work with it easier once it comes time to remove them from the freezer, okay? or
Yeah,
something.
can we
I
do
don't
that
know.
later?
I don't know.
Can I try it?
Yeah, try. Okay, now you want to walk around with the cup in your hand so you don't drip on the floor and mommy gets upset with us. But, you know, it's a popsicle.
It's amazing and amazing.
Sounds good.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and make every adventure amazing. And don't forget to always have a poptastic